Hey everybody, we're down here at the property. It is time to do some spring cleanup, so stay tuned. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday, April 13th, and the boys and I came down to the hunting property today. We usually try to get down here about this time every year just to do some spring cleanup. So we always have some weeds that need sprayed, and usually through the winter we also get some trees and things that have fell down. So that is our first task for today. So if we turn around here, this is the road going down to our kind of corral area down here where we have the tractor and stuff. And right away, our first task is going to be getting this big cottonwood taken care of. They're starting to get some of the smaller branches and stuff there. You can see where that just broke off from one of these cottonwoods up here. So this is a common problem for us down here when you've got a mature stand of timber like this. A lot of times these trees are going to break off like this, so you just kind of have to deal with it. So we're going to get the chainsaw fired up here, start bucking some of this out, and then we'll probably use the loader to push it all off to the side. You guys ready for that?
Yep.
All right, let's rock. All right, so this is one of the unique features on our property here. We got this standpipe kind of hydrant here. This is actually a pipe that goes down under the creek, and you can kind of see that spring, little spring-fed creek flowing off the creek bank there. Oh, another 60 or 70 yards up there on the hillside, there's a boxed-in spring. I can put a link to that in the description on how they do that. So they box in a natural spring on the hillside, and then it collects water and sends it down the pipe all the way to here. And so it's normally filling this stock tank all year long, but our hose broke off at the pipe, so we brought a new hose down today to put on here. All right, we got the hose hooked up, coiled up on the posts, and got it sitting down here in the tank. Good flow of water comes through there. We put that chunk of iron on there. Otherwise, once the water gets full, the hose floats and flops back out, and then we don't have water coming in here, so that holds it down to the bottom. We're gonna do some trimming on this tree later in the season. Once
Cutting down that tree?
Not cutting it down, we're just gonna trim some branches on it. That way later when we need to shred with the tractor, or like today when you guys are gonna spray those hemlock weeds that are under there, it'll be easier for you to get in, huh? All right, so hose has been in there for, oh geez, 20, 30 minutes maybe. And we're getting some water in there. Time to refill the sprayer though. Let's go ahead and grab the hose out of there and start filling her up. So we are doing about 2 ounces of 2,4-D per gallon of water. So this is a 14, 15 gallon sprayer here. So yeah, anywhere between 28 and 30 ounces, which is about 1 full measuring cup here, which works well.